Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club, just with another unboxing video that I have. Woo! Hi everyone, it's Muffins from me. Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99.
When you come this, it's Free Stuff Friday. All right. So today we're going to be unboxing my new Vox box that I got from Influenster. So if you guys don't know about Influenster, they are a company that you sign up, you do a few quizzes and questions, and they send you free stuff and you just basically do reviews on it. So every so often, usually about once a month, sometimes once every 2 months, I get sent over a box and I get to try out great and new products. Sometimes products that's been on the market, but it's just been revised, and I just have the opportunity of getting to try it. And now this month is going to be actually Carol's daughter, the new Wash Day Delight, which is perfect because I recently, well, it's not really recently, but the last couple of years I did go 100% natural. I don't use any parabens, any silicones. I don't use like harsh chemicals on my hair. I removed it completely. I don't even use like a blow dryer. I know, isn't that crazy? I know usually natural people, they still, natural hair people usually use a blow dryer, but me, I personally don't use one, not at all. I let it air dry all the time. So this is actually really, really good, and I'm completely excited to try these products out. But today I'm just gonna be opening the products with you. If you guys want to see like my wash day routine, just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, let's get it started. I didn't open this box yet, so I am opening it with you. Now let's go. Ooh. All right, so Influencer usually, they do give you like an instruction card, a little bit about information, and sometimes how to log into the app. But this, it has like, it's a dual thing. It says the new Wash Day Delight, the perfect pair, what's next, log into your Influencer app and, you know, do your campaign, all of that stuff. And then it has the instructions on what to do on the back of the card. So I'm gonna read it really quickly as I can. This is the water to foam shampoo and the jelly cream conditioner. How to use: wet hair, of course. Use the pointed tip to shampoo the targeted scalp. Gentle massage with foaming ladder. Rinse well. Apply conditioner. Spread through scalp and hair, focusing on the ends. Rinse well. Follow with your favorite Carol's daughter's styling products. Okay, so this is, I guess, meant for gentle scalp care. Me personally, I do have very, very dry scalp, so this is going to be really, really good. It's usually easier for detangling. When I do wash my hair, the only time I actually use a physical brush is when I'm conditioning my hair. Other than that, I'll just finger comb it through, crunch it up, but I will not use any combs or brushes outside of the conditioning process. So let's look at this stuff. Ooh, this is actually like a life-size bottle. It's not a trial-free one. So they definitely thought of us and gave us the full shebang bang of what's going on. So this is the Wash Day Delight, the Petal Soft Hydration Happy Clean Hair. Love at the first wash, water to foam shampoo with rose water. So a lot of companies actually don't have any foam when they have their shampoos that don't have silicones, parabens, or artificial colorings. So this is going to be a new style of foaming, I guess, to make you feel like you're using regular shampoo. Because in the beginning of my transition, it was a little weird that a lot of my shampoos didn't really lather. So it is a delight, especially if you're somebody who has very dry scalp and you want to transition into going all natural. I definitely recommend this product. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love this. It's the 16.9 fluid ounces, and it has like a little spout here, so it's really good. I think this is great, and I can't wait to try it. I'm so excited. All right, next up is the Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. Ooh, this looks really nice. It's nice and thick. Let's check that out so you guys can see it. It's really nice. So it is with rose water and glycerin. I don't know. I know I'm botching that up. You know, I can't read. No parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oils, and no artificial colorings. This is the 20 ounces. So yeah, as you can see, these are full product ounces. They didn't cheap on us. It does last for about 12 months, but we all know that ain't gonna last no 12 months. It'll probably last like a couple of months, probably like 1 or 2 months with these washing products. But it looks really good. It looks thick. I don't know if I could open it so I could smell it. Ooh, it smells really good though. So yeah, it does smell like rose petals. It's really good and great. So I can't wait to try it. I think that's it. Yeah. So the shampoo and conditioner is available at Carol's Daughter. I am not sponsored by either one of these people, but I did get these complimentary items through Influencer. So special thanks to Influencer and Carol's Daughter for thinking of me and my scalp. And I'll definitely let you guys know what I think. But thank you so much for listening and watching. For my people who want to join our Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to join a coupon meeting, we have one every Tuesday night. All you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. All right, beautiful people, you know the deal. I love this little interaction that we have with each other, but I gotta go. So I will see you beautiful people soon.